Hello everyone, we have finished week 2, so I want to do a bit of a summary and look ahead at what's coming for week 3. In week 2, thank you for your wonderful discussions on arranged marriages and dress codes. I think we had our worldview challenged a bit with arranged marriages, and hopefully we've seen a little bit of a different perspective with it. Hofstede's Cultural Dimensions was viewed this week, and you completed the viewing guide. If there was something about that you didn't understand, please go back and watch it again or do some more research. He is going to create the foundation from which we will build the presentation and final essay. And speaking of presentation and final essay, you began your source summaries this week in preparation for that essay and presentation. Make sure that your source summary reported a bit on your intercultural groups, history, religion, and politics. Some of you may have missed that part of the assignment and may want to revisit that assignment. Let's look ahead at week 3. We are stepping into something new, the video clips. We will hear this week from Michael, Stephanie, and Aaron. They will upload by Monday, and the rest of us need to watch the uploaded clips and then post a 2 to 3 sentence observation or interpretation of the cultural shown. This is most effective if you thread with other comments instead of posting isolated comments. So basically, read what everybody else has commented and just latch on to their comments as you post. This week we also get to watch a movie. I love to assign homework. Go watch a movie. So anyway, here is a list of movies that I know are great, that have cultural dimensions in them. If you have a movie that's not on this list that you want to watch, please email me with that. Basically, you're going to watch it, and then within the forum, note differences of the represented culture as compared to the U.S. or whatever culture you grew up in if you're not from the U.S. Note any historical or religious context that's part of the modern culture of this country, and note how points of view on given subjects differ from the U.S. points of view. For presentations and essays coming up, make sure you're focused on an international subculture. You can look at the assignment. If you go to week 6 and 7, you'll see more information. You just submitted your source summaries on history, religion, and politics. Week 3, you'll submit your source summary on Hofstede's cultural dimensions. So you choose your subculture, like maybe it's the rural people of central India. And so you would do some research that would comment on how they look at time versus relationship. What's their dimension there? Or maybe individual versus collective culture. Maybe you look at their direct versus indirect communication, chief status versus ascribed status, low versus high display of emotion, and display of power distance. So try to research some of those from Hofstede's Cultural Dimensions video that you just watched, and begin to do research so you can bring that into your presentation that's coming due. And the last thing, we have just simply a case study from our text. So have a wonderful week. Email me if you need some information. I have a new phone number, so look that up